I've never ran with the hiccups. It's gonna be awkward.
And we are the dreamers of dreams.
Living life, spinning like a merry-go-round, traveling all around the world, you know we get around. Good vibes only, you know it's the one and only Justin Bravo. Yeah, that's my number one homie, subscribe. Come on.
I've pretty much eaten an entire pint of Halo Top ice cream for breakfast. So you could say the day's going pretty well so far. And I knew that would happen. I knew that delicious ice cream was gonna become my every meal. And it has. I hate jinxing myself, but the car has been driving really great since my fine mechanic work. So it could be just fine now. It's not good, not good juju. But it seems to be all right. Seems to be driving fine. And that's great. Man, it looks really cloudy today. And it's kind of a bummer because I was hoping to get a chance to go out and ride the boosted board. So I'm going to, I got to stop by a client's office right now for a quick meeting and to get some money. And then after that, I'm gonna head over and pick up the boys. So I'm hoping by the time I'm through with everything and we're back at the house, that indeed the weather's cleared up, or at least just cloudy and not rainy. Get a boosted board ride in. Oh man. And I know, I get it, man. Every time you tune in the vlog lately, it's just Justin riding on a boosted board. That's all the vlog is now. It's just montages of Justin gliding on a boosted board. And I apologize. I'm gonna have to figure out how to contain my excitement for the boosted board, but I don't know. So I'm gonna stop talking about the boosted board though. No more talk, it's banned for the rest of this vlog. Any mention will be completely redacted and removed, so you don't have to hear me say. Okay, can't wait to get home and ride the board. Back from the meeting. That was quick and productive. Headed off now to go pick up the boys. Let's see what's in store for this afternoon. As promised, we're doing 2 to 3 runs a week, at least. And one starts now. I'm so excited. I got the hiccups though. You think like the second I start running, the hiccups will go away?
I hope so.
I've never ran with the hiccups. It's gonna be awkward. Got it done. Good news is no rain and hiccups went away. Bad news, it was 95 and a little bit of wind, so it's like running into a hot blow dryer. I need a lot of water. A lot of now.